First one I've ever flown at a show, Dominic.
A show?
Well,
Come
you know
on.
what I mean. It's my own club. It's stupid, isn't it?
You shouldn't be nervous. It didn't look like you were nervous. It was
No, it flew
brilliant.
well. Flew well.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth. You're enjoying it still then?
I've got the HSD F86 as well.
Oh, have you? Yeah. That'll fly even better. I reckon.
Beautiful.
Have you made any modifications to this? Because I read a guy that said he cut the spring.
Yeah, if you look at that Arthur RC from France, it was me that showed him the modification.
Oh, okay.
And then he publicised it and got all the glory.
Credit of it.
Yeah, I basically cut 4 springs off of the... 2 springs off of the nose gear.
Yeah.
Well, sorry, I'll show you very quick.
Yeah.
I cut 2...
Because was it too stiff?
Oh, yeah, solid.
Solid.
Whatever the China's put in there, it was like all this gunk. But and you couldn't move the gear.
No, it's pointless then.
Now, but...
Yeah. So it takes the shock out of any landing. Yeah.
Look.
Oh, brilliant.
And when it was like it was before, any HSD model, and you just couldn't...
Wonder why they do that.
And what it did is it fractured all the paint around the wings on the retract area.
Yeah.
It was going to shatter them. It would have weakened them so much you couldn't flow them.
No.
So I've done the mods. 4 springs off the mains, 2 springs off the nose. Cleared out all that gunk. Cleaned off all the inside of the oleos. Put silicone 4000 in there. So
Right.
It worked.
Well done.
Well chuffed.
Yeah. Flies very nicely.
I'll get to fly her again today, I'm sure.
So how many flights have you had on that now, you reckon?
I mean, total.
Yeah.
40, 50.
Yeah, nice. And it still looks brand new.
Yeah, I did. I try to look after them.
Yeah,
so
you do a good job.
I can't wait for the F86 to bring it up. I mean, I've flown that about 10 times. That's a big 120 mil HE fan,
Yeah.
monster.
Look forward to seeing that. Okay.
Absolutely.
Good fly. Nice.
Cheers, mate.